Today we're going to talk about
the gravitational force to keep the satellites into orbit.
our team members are myself, Denise,
Carolina Valdez,
Jacqueline Treviño.
Kepler's law. The law of orbits is that all the planets move in elliptical orbits with the Sun at one focus. The second law is the law of areas, which is that a line that connects a planet to the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal times. The third law is the law of period, which is the square of the period of any planet is proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of its orbits.
Real-life application of satellites. One type of satellites that is crucial to our daily life is communication. As it states, it creates communication between a transmitter and a receiver, which is located on different locations of the Earth. These artificial satellites amplifies telecommunications through a transponder. Communication satellites are used in television, they are used also in the internet, and most of the communication methods we know. So here is a fact. There are over 2,000 communication satellites around in Earth's orbit, used by both private and governmental organizations. So imagine, without the satellites, we couldn't communicate with each other. We couldn't respond to our messages, respond to our mails. We couldn't watch television, or I couldn't be even making this video. It is what it is.
How can we apply gravitation to real life? Well, everyone knows that the Earth, the Sun, and large masses in space are round. But what is this true? This is true because gravitational force will not allow them to be otherwise. For any large, assume a relatively uniform shape. The most uniform three-dimensional shape is a sphere. The greater the mass it is, the greater it will be in a spherical way. Another example will be if the Sun has a smaller mass, then the Earth will slingshot out of the orbit and go out into the space. Other example of a real-life application using gravity is when you hold a ball up in air and the mass of the air allows it to fall down into